Okay, thought I'd do a quick video on XRTX, a play that I am in. This is a daily chart of it. Let's do a quick downtrend line. Let's just pick a spot right in through here. And you'll see that we are basically right against it's about a 3-month trend line right there. We're seeing resistance. The initial resistance that I was watching to get in was right there. Once it caught bottom support at 166, and it was starting to show a little bit of an uptrend. Flipping over to the 15-day or 15-minute chart, I actually entered this play on that move. That's a very light color. Got a little bit bigger. I entered right in through there at 185 when on that move. I was actually kind of paying attention to it, but lost it. And I didn't make my move right in through here. And I've been watching XRTX as a bottom play. When it came back down, I said, you know what, this is a chance I'm gonna take it when the 100-day was starting to hook up towards the 200-day. So I decided it was time to make the move. And luckily I got a nice move there. Didn't hold, made another nice move. I actually thought about selling there and still didn't, even with the RSI downtrend. And that's probably where I should have exited the first time. It came back down, and technically we would look at this. I'd be looking real hard to sell if it breaks the 100-day, but I held in there. When it came down right here. I was ready to pull the trigger because my profits were getting very close to being about break even, but it caught the 300-day and took back off. Today it ended up at a high of I think it closed at 235. So I have no complaints where we're sitting right now. Now it's time to watch. We're into the oversold on the RSI. Now it's time to see if the RSI is going to trend back down a little bit for us, if we can get a little bit more movement, and then we'll be looking for the final pullback, and I'll be looking to sell somewhere around in here more than likely. We'll see what happens if it breaks this trend line. We'll see some more. The resistance I'll probably be looking at, even though I need to zoom in a little bit better here, is going to be right in that 274, 275 area. Kind of got stuck a little bit right there, I think. So we'll see how it breaks through this and how it's reacting at that point. And we'll see what's going on with the 15-minute charts at that point. Right now, trading above the 100, 200, and 300, and we're getting the 300 to start to curl nicely. So hopefully these will continue. We'll look at this down the road here. These will continue to start trending up, and I'll keep trading above them, and then I'll keep hanging on. If we see a big pullback, it'll be considering time to sell. Profits are pretty good now at this point, over 20%, 20-25%. So pretty happy. So we'll see what continues over the next few days. Friday will probably still be another light day with the holidays, and of course another shortened week next week. One thing to also note is I should check the float on XRTX. I believe it's a low floater because you can see it is generally a pretty low volume, even on a half day. It's a pretty sporadic trading, low volume play, so it can move pretty quickly either direction. I'd be willing to bet that it has a pretty low float, but I do have generally a lot of faith in NASDAQ, GS, stocks. So we'll see where this leads. Merry Christmas, everybody. This is Mav from Top Gun. I'll talk to you soon.